Masaya naman ang Kim Pao fans nang i-share ng aktor na si Paolo Avellino ang ganap nito sa London. Maraming nagsasabi na si Kim Chiu ang nag-capture lahat ng mga litrato ng aktor. Sa post ni Pao makikita ang 10 slides of picture. May nakalagay na flag ng London at may nakasulat na downside of bringing a camera. 1. You rarely have photos of yourself. 2. Na naiwan na blanco. Mukhang ito ang sagot ng mga aktor sa sinabi ng basher na hindi daw si Paolo kasama ni Kim Chiu sa Simpson. Subalit, ang pinakasakit na sagot ni Pao ay yung nasa slide number 10. Isang statue na may nakasulat sa liig na truth. Tila sign ng Kim Pao couple is real. Heto ang komento ng netizens. Yung caption ni Paolo ay para lang sa mga may comprehension. Kung negative ang tingin nyo doon, better exercise your brains. Ako nga kilig na kilig, di nila na-appreciate yung wittiness ng caption. Explain natin, wala daw kumukuha ng picture pag ikaw may dala ng cam, pero ang post niya, puro pic niya nakuha ni Kim. So well, it's true na wala ka pic pag ikaw photographer. In his case, it's different. Gets? And to add, Pao doesn't usually enjoy posing pictures of himself. But when it's Kim behind the camera capturing his candid moment, it turns out special. A photo deserving of a spot on his feed. Paolo is basically confirming it's him capturing videos of Kim during that Michelin star date. Kailangan pa ba spoon feed sa inyo para matuwa kayo? Hirap niyo naman pasayahin. He literally confirmed it's him and even made sure to include her in his post with that shadow pic. Ito ang mas nakakilig sa Kim Pao Hindi naman sila ma-PDA sa social media pero may mystery pa din kahit alam natin na magkasama naman talaga kayo on the particular time. Iba yung kilig kapag naglapag sila basta iba ang Kim Pao. Pansin nyo yung last slide of Paolo's IG post, it really feels like there's a hidden message. The last photo speaks about truth. For me, it's a confirmation of Kim Pao's true relationship. The couple is real. Comment ng forever basher ng Kim Pao na hindi daw si Pao kasama ni Kim sa Simpson. So here's a photo who took whose pictures. Hindi man sila kita na may photo sila together. But as a Panatag fan, I know they are always together. A gentle nod to life's precious moment. Thank you, Pao, for capturing everything with so much love. Tumatak talaga sa akin tong dessert na to sa Reels kaya pagkita ko, confirm. Lord, awa na lang sa akin videographer reveal yan. Siya na nag-reveal sa sarili niya. Grabe, mahal na mahal talaga tayo ni Pao. Siya na nag-reveal at dininig talaga ang ating dasal. Nakakabaliw talaga ang dalawa na to as in grabe yung impact nila talaga sa heart natin. Number 2, you fall head over heels for your news and you'll spend hours scrolling through photos you've taken and prolonged exposure to her cuteness may cause excessive smiling, heart palpitations, and a strong desire to relive every moment. Ginusto mo yan at ni Paolo Avellino, it clearly shows. But number 1, you rarely have photos yourself uploaded. But number 2, you have thousands of photos of her. I think love is when you care for her more than yourself, little things. Number 2, the no downside when your travel buddy loves to take candid shots of. Good things I got someone who's good at taking stolen photos to a Chinita princess.